So my name is Rebecca Grassel. I'm an assistant director for the Student Union, and one of my roles and responsibilities as part of that position is that I'm the staff co-chair for the working group that plans Panther Fest every year. And I've been doing that this will be my third year. So this next Panther Fest, which is September 4th, 2015, the planning for that actually starts early October. Sometimes it feels like it's the end of September right after the other event ends, but definitely by early October I'm starting to compile the application materials and getting the website together. So students apply to be members of the working group, to be the at-large members, and then the co-chair position. And I work with our marketing department to create that website. So we start that recruitment plan in October. That goes out in November, and we're doing recruitment until the end of December. We start meeting with the working group. The other thing that happens during that time in the mid-November through the end of the fall semester is that we're meeting with the different groups that make appointments for Panther Fest, so the different governance organizations. We meet with those as well. The beginning of spring, usually the first week of February, we get together everyone who's been appointed to the working group and meet with those individuals. We hire the student co-chair, who's the student leader for the planning and implementation of Panther Fest. That happens end of February, March, sometimes before spring break. This year we met the week after spring break. We had everyone finally together on the working group, and that's when we really start the meat of the planning process. We do things like develop the mission and purpose and goals for what the next Panther Fest is going to look like. We divide into task groups. Task groups plan, select all of the different detailed elements of Panther Fest. They start that work in April, and they do that throughout the summer. We generally try to be done with the majority of planning by the very beginning of August, because at that point we're going into implementation mode of implementing marketing. Anything that needs to be ordered and set has to be done at that point in time. And then August, we welcome back students to ticket distribution. The event this year will be September 4th. Immediately following the event, we do a couple weeks of debriefing, both with the task groups and then the large group. And then that takes us into the beginning of October, and we'll start the planning again for the next year at that point.